Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to declare on Cnfans. So guys, this is system, have two system with either personalized declare or system declare based on your needs. If you prefer more control over each details, choose the personalized declare where you can manually input the specific including declare type and quantity and enter the price and the total price for the item, and this is option ideal guys, and you have particular requirement to each product. You can you can declarations however occasion to ensure that you have declaration with actual product characteristics such as price, weight, quantity, and code customs clearance. Alternatively, if simply city prefer, choose this system declare where you need to enter total declared amount. The system you will handle the generating a declaration based on this amount of item, and the panel of both method keep the declared value consistent with actually character, and for example avoid declaring initial low amount for high value product and reporting the weight of overstating the total of value on example. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content.